Gonna get the hunting season kicked off here with a little dove hunting. It's been a while since we've got out, gotten after anything, so it should be a fun way to kick off the 2020 hunting season. Smoked him. Alright, so as you can see, we hunted a couple different locations this past weekend. One was a chopped cornfield. Had some good luck there, and then we moved over to a cattle lot by some grain bins, and we had some pretty good luck there too. Now we're going to show you guys our take on how we cook these things. So what we got here is a simple recipe using jalapenos, the dove breast, bacon, and some cream cheese. So how are we going to cook these things? So usually we just throw down some tin foil, put the grill on medium heat. You can use the oven, but I like the flavor of the grill better, and just cook them until that bacon's crispy and your cream cheese is melty. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the episode, and please like and subscribe to the YouTube page, and feel free to go give us a follow on our Instagram page at Black Deer Whitetails.
We'll hopefully be bringing you quite a few doe kills in early October. That's when the opener is for Iowa, and we're going to try to get some doe management done on both of our farms. Thanks, guys.